It's here. Hopefully it's here. It seems pretty light. Got the battery. And we got the Gopro Hero 8. And an SD card. So I'm hoping this comes with some sort of sticky mount. The last GoPro I had was a 3, so this. Okay. Okay, sweet. Yeah, these batteries are freaking tiny. Look at that. A little tiny battery. It did come with one sticky mount, thank God, and charger. And that is it. So this guy just opens like that. SD card and battery go in there. SD card. Let's see if it turns on. It does. Follow the app instructions. So just gotta get this guy. While this is installing, I'm gonna go get my helmet so I can mount my GoPro on it. Here's my helmet. So, I'm just gonna make sure to level it. Alright, I think it's pretty good. It's pretty straight. We're good. Alright, so we got it mounted. Mounted on there. So now we're gonna go test it out. I'm just gonna go right on the trails out back and edit some footage later and see what it looks like. So I have a Yamaha Banshee. I'm going to be testing out the audio quality as well. So I have no clue. But I have an 04 Yamaha Banshee. Guys. Sick! A fun little ride. Didn't want to do a super long one because I don't even know if the stuff's correctly like filming or any of that stuff, so I'll try and do like a video once a week. Don't know what day of the week, but we'll see how that works. I'll probably just be posting to Instagram for a little bit. Thanks for watching.